So before we check if you got the answer correct, let us first for so for step number one, again we have to formulate our hypothesis. So for our null hypothesis, so if you write as the population mean is 50, so for our null hypothesis, we have here our mu, which is our population mean, which is equal to 50. And then based on our problem, it says that 25 bags was taken and revealed a mean weight of 48.1. What do you think will be our alternative hypothesis? Okay, so for our alternative hypothesis, we have here not equal 50 because wala naman pong sinabi na the average weight. Okay? So kapag ganun po, wala pong mga hint ng mga clue words using to not equal. Okay. Now, will be specifying the level of significance it was already given on the problem, so it is 1%, so that 0 point equal to 0.01. Now since our now 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 on our problem, we only have 25 because it is less than 30. Now for the degree of freedom, we had our sample size is 25. So that will be 25 minus 1. So that is equal to 24. Now for our critical value, so how our okay, 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 okay. So based on our DF here states our degree freedom. Now, on the upper side, we have here the one tail or two tails. Since on our given problem, our degree of freedom is tail test is two-tailed, so we'll be looking our critical value will have 7.797. Now, class, since this is a two-tailed test, of course, our critical value will be 2.797. Remember that one. A quick review. If the tail test is one-tailed, specifically right or left. Kapag po right, we'll be using positive only. Kapag naman left, negative only. Now, step number 3, computing the appropriate test statistics. So now let us reveal the answer. So we have here the average weight of its bag of chemical is 50 kilograms. So this is our population mean. Now for our standard deviation, it says here that it is 0. We have here the sample size, which is 25, and the mean weight. So this is our sample mean, which is 48.1. Now let us substitute the values on our formula. So we have here quantity 48.1 of 25 over 0.9. Now I want you to calculate it on your scientific calculators and your answers.